Hi, and welcome to Competitive Edge. I'm going to answer a few commonly asked questions we get from customers regarding this oversized 6-foot round lifetime folding table. I say oversized because a standard banquet size round table is 5 feet and can seat 6 to 8 people. This table, however, can accommodate up to 10 people comfortably. The legs are recessed so you really can seat all the way around the table. The H-frame leg style provides a 1,700 pound weight capacity, making it both residential as well as commercial quality. The beautiful white granite colored tabletop allows you to use this either with or without a tablecloth. One of the things that makes this table so popular is the generous 10-person seating capacity. In a limited space, this means you can seat more people around fewer tables. Our customers also find that seating at a round table stimulates conversation as everybody faces one another. Everyone is part of the group. The official color of the tabletop is white granite, and although you can't see it in the picture, if you were to look closely, it has tiny little dark speckles. It works well in almost any color scheme. It's popular for offices, banquet settings, wedding receptions, and is a favorite for party rental companies. Yes, this table can be used both indoor and outdoor, and the light color means that on a sunny day the tabletop is not going to get hot. This is the bottom of the table. Notice it folds up flat for easy storage and transportation. Notice the waffle-style blow-molded pattern. This is done to increase the stability and the weight capacity of the table from the center to the edge. And speaking of the edges, they're molded especially so the table can be rolled into and out of storage without denting. Standard banquet height is 29 inches, but that's also a standard desktop height, allowing this to be used in break rooms, conference rooms for training, and even for projects in the garage. These can be ordered in any quantity. A full pallet load is 12, but you can order those in 4-packs and singles as well. And yes, these are proudly made in the United States. We ship these currently from Clearfield, Utah. Looking for a solution to store or transport these? No problem. We've got the storage cards and the matching chairs. Visit us for more information at competitiveedgeproducts.com.